Pull out and open the upper freezer door. Locate the locking bin clips on the side of the bin. Lift the clips upward to unlock the bin from the drawer guides. Repeat for the other side. Remove the old freezer door bin from the guide rails. Install the new freezer door bin onto the guide rails. Ensure the tab on the bin slides into the grooves on the guide rail. Snap the front and rear locking tabs to secure the bin. Repeat for the opposite side. Push the freezer door towards the back of the refrigerator to close it.